In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the Super Search tool. First thing we do is we will log into Team Build. Just want 1,000 credits. And you will find the Super Search tool on your back office wall, and this is item number 6. First, before we do that, let's bring up our SEO AdWords tool so we can check the relative cost per click on keywords. Okay, now there is a tutorial on that already, but this will just show you how to use the two together. So we will go to our tasks, because that's where it is. And there's a task here called Google AdWords SEO Search Tool. So let's launch that task, and we will load it. And there it is. Now, if you have a AdWords account, you'll be able to see the cost per click. If you don't, then you're going to have to sign in, and it's just a matter of signing into your Google account, your Google Gmail account, and it will automatically ask you if you want to create a free account and go through that process. It takes a few seconds. I've already done so. So here we are. We're going to put in a search term. Let's say that I'm looking for divorce attorney. I would select whatever country you want. I tend to select all countries. And here you can go broad and phrase if you wish. And it brings up your keywords, and notice there are pricing here. Now if you don't see this column, because it doesn't show automatically, click on this columns selection and pick this one, approximate CPC search. Normally it won't show, so make sure you put a little check mark here, and it will then show up in your on your list, which is what you want. Okay, so we know that the also you can sort these by ascending order of price, or descending price, which is what we want. Now this is for those particular words. So what you want to do is you want to check all of these. So what you do is you click on the link here, and it brings it down, and notice it gives you the pricing for all of these long tail words, as we call them. So what you do is you click through all of them, just to give you, for instance, here's one: car accident attorneys, Los Angeles. And notice the price, $227. Now that would be worth searching on. So you copy and paste. We go back to our Team Build site, and we go back to the office wall. We find our item number 6. And this is the only place you're going to find it, and you will find it nowhere else. Okay, so we're going to click this Super Search tool. Alright, the first thing it asks you for is the search term. So we put in a search term, and there it is. You can select a number of pages. In this case, it defaults to 8, and that to me is a reasonable number of pages. And what that does, it will open 8 tabs as soon as you submit this this page. 8 tabs full of your benefit bar results. Okay, and I'll show you how that works. So what we're going to do is we're going to submit this. Now there's a stopwatch here, and it's been set for 2 minutes. This is for those of you who want to set a time limit for the amount of searching you want to do. I tend not to use it, but it's there for you. So you would click the Start Searching, and notice at the very top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages of results. And the way to tell is you'll see this number at the end here. And notice you got the search term, and this is your search bar. Your clickable or biddable ads are here above this word web results and to the right, and you will find some at the bottom. And the idea is you select one of these for every 4 to 8 of these down here. So, and this is how quick you can do this. Here's one. Go back up. 2, 3. Now we're going to select one of these. 4, 5, 6, and then we'll select another one of these. Now what I've done is I've selected a 4-to-1 ratio, and notice that we now have search results in every one of these tabs. And you can leave these up for a few seconds, and you have done 8 searches in a matter of seconds. Once you're done, you can close these tabs like so. Go back to Ultimate Team Build. You hit the back arrow here, and you start the whole process again with another set of keywords. And you can do this all day long. It's very, very quick, very, very easy. Now this works best with Firefox. If you're using Chrome, it tends to want to create separate windows as opposed to tabs. And I haven't figured out how to get around that yet. It works the same way IE, Internet Explorer, works the same as Firefox. And this actually works with other browsers like, for instance, Crazy Browser. It'll open tabs again. So you don't need to click this green B here every time to do a search. And that concludes a tutorial on how to use the Super Search tool. Thank you.